Hello students, today we will see how to make journal entry in case of issue of shares. So this is illustration 1. Alpha Company Limited issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. The share money was payable as on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 2, on call rupees 5. The application for the shares were duly received and the share were properly allotted. The amounts payable were timely received. Journalize the transaction and show the equity share capital account in the books of the company. So let's see what are the journal entries. So first thing is that whenever any company issues shares, it doesn't deposit all the money due on shares at once. Rather, it into different parts, like in the given sum it is divided on application, on allotment and on call. The money which is received with the application is called application money, and this is received from the investors on each share. Again, when shares are allotted, that means company is registering the shareholder's name with a, and selling the shares. Then some money is taken, and that is called allotment money. And after allotment, whenever the company thinks it needs capital, it calls the shareholders to deposit the remaining money, either maybe on one or two calls. So this is called call money. So let's see how the entries have been made. So first thing is that for receiving application money, as I told you in last class, the journal entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account. Here 10,000 equity shares have been issued and rupees 3 is the rate of application money. So 30,000 will be the total amount, and the narration will be being application money received for rupees 10,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 3 each. Now, second entry which will be made, the share application money will be transferred to equity share capital. So in case where some applications are returned and the application money is refunded, then that part will not go into share capital account. But here no refund or return of application have been made. All the applied shareholders are getting the shares. So this total money of 30,000 will be transferred to equity share capital. So equity share capital application account debit to equity share capital will be the entry, and narration will be being application money on 10,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 3 each transferred to equity share capital account as per board resolution number dash dash and dated dash dash. This is the method of entering this, that board of directors decide how much application will be accepted. So there will be a board resolution number, a resolution will be passed about this, and that will carry the board resolution number and date. Again, at the time of allotment, the first entry will be equity share allotment to equity share capital, because whatever shares are to be allotted deemed fit by the board of directors will be allotted, and that will be at first transferred to equity share capital account, and then it will be received. So it is just the reverse of application process. First, board resolution will be passed about how many shares are to be allotted to different shareholders. So the entry will be equity share allotment to equity share capital account, and the narration will be being allotment money due on 10,000 equity shares at rupees 10 to each as per board's resolution number and dated. Then this allotment money will be received, and for that bank must be involved. So bank account debit to equity share allotment. Again, when the share will be called, again the call will be made, Then the entry will be equity share call account to equity share capital account. This will also carry board resolution number. That is why first entry will be transferring to share capital, creating the equity share capital. Whenever money will be called, equity share capital will increase, but it will be received later. So bank account debit to equity share call account will be the entry after this. So this is the how we make the entry. This is the process. Let's see how to make equity share capital account. So equity share capital account will have two balance CD 1 lakh, and all the application money, allotment money will be transferred to the equity share capital account. So if all the shares are fully paid up, then the whole capital will be credited by these three items, and two balance CD we will get at last. And notice that where the share capital of the company consists of shares of different classes, a separate share application account will be opened for each class of share. For example, equity share application account or preference share application account, etc. Similarly, separate allotment account and call account also. So thank you very much.